Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will show how to use apply function in R. So apply function in R is used to apply functions. So here the functions is another function to any dimension of an object. And this object can be usually a matrix or data frame. So for example, apply x is an object and with the margin will be 1 or 2. If margin is 1, which means apply functions to the rows, and the margin 2 means to apply a function to the columns. So if we use apply, test is a matrix 1 and with a function mean, which means we will calculate the mean value of each row of this matrix. So apply is not a concrete function to be calculated, and the mean is the concrete function to be calculated with this data frame. So apply combine this function to implement a mean value for each row for this matrix. So next we will show how to use it in RStudio. So first we create a matrix called test with 4 rows and 20 elements, so which means the matrix has 4 rows by 5 columns. We show this matrix. So this matrix has 4 rows, 5 columns. Next we can apply mean function to rows of this matrix. So the result is a vector with 4 elements because this matrix has 4 rows, right? So each row has a mean value. So the result is a vector with 4 elements. So next we also can apply the mean function to the columns of this matrix. So here we set index 2. So this time, the result is a vector of 5 elements because this matrix has 5 columns. And we can also use a trimmed mean for the columns by trim 20% of the values. So we get the same result because this matrix is symmetric in the column. Next example, we create a sample matrix with 3 rows, 10 columns. So we show this matrix 3 rows, 10 columns. Next, we can apply the sum function to the rows of this matrix. So the result is vector 3 elements because this matrix has 3 rows. And we can also apply the sum function to the columns of this matrix. The result is a vector of 10 elements because this matrix has 10 columns. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link, and more videos on rprogramming will be uploaded later on YouTube soon. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.